So another quick video I wanted to shoot for the group. Just so you know, I big fan of HubSpot. Use it. We're a partner of theirs. So this is somebody I've come across. This is Jason Miller. He's content and social marketing leader, LinkedIn sales. So Jason is fairly influential in LinkedIn, and I want to connect with him. So you can see he's got the professional setup because obviously he works at LinkedIn, which is great. So I'm going to do a couple of things which I thought would be beneficial for the group. First off, I've got a plugin called LinkedHub connected to my HubSpot account. So if I click on sync, this should show you how easy it is to get information into your CRM if you use HubSpot. So I've now got it synced. I'll click this, which will show you this connection in HubSpot. Right, so it pulls all of the information that LinkedIn has, and I've now got effectively a connection in HubSpot here. Now obviously, the first thing I'm missing here is I'm missing the email address, and in order for HubSpot to really work that incredibly well, it's always good to have an email address. So you can actually check on a profile to see whether there is an email address before you actually add them to HubSpot by clicking See Contact Info. But there's a huge amount of information here. So you can see he's got his own LinkedIn blog. He's obviously the Marketing Solutions, which is the company that he works for. And he's also got a personal website and Twitter. So what I would suggest you do is go visit his personal website, click on information on Twitter. Now, again, if I wanted to LinkedIn offer me the option of following him, which I'm not really interested in following because, again, I think for me, the whole idea of LinkedIn is it's got to be collaborative and two-way. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to click on the more, and it gives me different options. So I could just send him a message, which, you might think, well, that's fine. But in all honesty, the cold messages tend to be ones that people don't respond to. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to click on connect. Now, I could just click on send now, but in all honesty, he'd probably reject it. What you're actually able to do is you're able to it tells you that LinkedIn members are more likely to accept invitations that include a personal note, right? So if you click on add a note, now I've actually got something that I've written previously, which I'm just going to paste in here, and I'll paste it in the group so you can kind of take it and use it as you wish. But I've actually found this to be pretty powerful. So again, obviously, rather than just blurting something out saying who you are, what you really need to do is you need to talk about why you're inspired to be connected to them, right? So I put here, I've been trying to get my LinkedIn game on, came across your podcast series by way of a mutual friend. And again, you can actually see who the connections that you share with this person are. I think I have about 357 connections with Jason that are kind of first or second connections of his. So it should be a fairly sort of easy slam dunk for him to accept my request. So again, rather than just saying we've got a mutual friend, I've actually gone on to say I just want to say how much you enjoyed listening and to connect with you here on the platform. So I'm going to click send this invitation. He will receive that, and hopefully I'll let you know how we get on, but hopefully he'll accept that, and then I'll have a much closer connection with somebody who's at the sharp end as far as LinkedIn sales is concerned.